fuck?
They keep getting in the ovens and dying.
Who is in the oven?
Yeah, Hansa's in the oven, I forgot to tell you.
God.
The fuck?
Oh god. Rat.
Oh god.
We got you, bro.
Oh god.
I want that.
Oh no, no,
Why?
no! No, we need Hugo! No!
You fucking retard! Idiot!
We need to call Gnome Command. We need help, we need reinforcements.
No. But yes, kill me faster, yeah.
Yo!
Oy.
God damn it! You fucking idiot!
I saw my opportunity. Everybody was behind their backs.
Idiot!
Call the Roomba for help.
Yo!
Hansa would be pissed if he was at his computer right now. Crispy. We don't. Oh.
Where's Hugo?
Hugo's AFK.
What do you mean?
He's having dinner.
What do you mean? Oh shit!
God.
Don't go my way! Revive him right now.
Ow. I am not going to be the one who needs to work. Oh! What?
Let me!
Oh no! You motherfucker!
What?
You motherfucker!
What happened?
He killed me! He killed me through the door! I got out and I was trying to get him out! Motherfucker! You fucking
Oh my
moron!
god.
Oh, Gnome Command is gonna be mad.
Oh.
How are we gonna tell him? Oy, oy, oy. Leko, this is all your fault. It literally is.
Wolf, put us in the fucking.
Nah, it was your fault, bro. You killed Wolf and you killed me.
Dude, I love it. I love when you were both trying to resuscitate Hansa and I jump in and
You fucking gremlin.
Fucking Agu! I'm just gonna fucking go out. Save us again.
I really tried to
everyone
get
dead?
myself out before the door closed, but I realized it wasn't gonna happen, so I was just like, oh, okay, whatever. We'll all die in here.
Oh my
I
god.
love that you managed to get Hansa up just so we could get cooked again.
He wasn't even here.
I know, like, oh, it's just double cooked.
Leko, this is all your fault.
It literally isn't.
It literally is.
No, why is it my fault?
By the way, Wolf, you took a good shot. Good kill, good kill.
Sorry, I haunted Hugo for a second. What did you say?
You used the fucking gun as an artillery cannon.
Yeah, I just sort of put it on a mouse trap for the landing area, and then when he ducked down under, I just went. So well done.
In mind, from his point of view, he just
Looks under and just sees a
he
gnome
crouches
with a gun.
and he
By the
looks
way,
under
guys-
the bed and he looks at a gnome aiming a
welcome
fucking
back.
gun at him.
I just wanted to say this is going to be my last game, okay?
Oh,
Yeah, so.
Were
I'm
you
going to-
there?
Huh?
Were you here just now?
He doesn't know.
were you watching?
Watching what?
You get cooked again.
No.
There is a reason we are all dead, Hansa.
Yeah. Yeah, Lecco.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's all
it's not
him.
me.
Yeah, Lecco, you got something to explain?
Yep.
No.
I think close you guys in the oven.
Yeah, Lecco closed us in the oven.
Yep.
No.
And then he
Donna,
killed me and
what
Wolf.
happened? No, what happened?
He shot me with a gun.
When we got to revive me from the fucking thing, he closed the door on all of us.
Okay, yeah, so Ponzi, you got
then,
cooked in the
and
you
then
got cooked in
Angus
the
glitched
oven.
out and I accidentally hit him and killed him.
No, you killed all of us.
No,
Yeah,
so
you did.
Honza, you're Honza, after we freed August from the fridge, we realized you were in the oven.
Yeah.
So August and Lecco decide to give you CPR, but I see that the oven is now open and I prefer it closed. So I hop in the oven with
Yeah, the heat was
everybody
getting out,
and
bro.
I close it behind you. Just as they give you successful CPR, you wake up just to get cooked again. Because I close the door on everyone. And Lecco's going ham with the mace, and he just smacks the shit out of me, and then August escapes and he smacks the shit out of August before he finally burns to a crisp. He really
Clearly,
didn't want anyone
Lecco's
else
fault.
escaping.
it's not my fault.
He got jealous of August escaping and just slimed him. Straight up.
Not true.
So
It's not
true.
true.
So true.
It's not.
Okay. Anyways. Yeah, I'll be leaving now, so
Okay.
Type shit.
Bye,
I
Hanzo.
also need to
I
see
got-
something. I'm
I've had some other
hungry.
plans. I had some other plans for tonight, and I haven't realized it's already this late. So yeah.
Okay, bye.